Hi, it's Sue from the Doghouse Deli Bar, and on today's shameless plug for the shop, we're going to be making tuna fishy dishy.
First, our ingredients: tuna, oat flour, semolina, wheat flour, water, half a teaspoon of baking powder and some chai seeds. Chai seeds aren't just a garnish, they're a superfood for dogs, great for healthy bones and can help with arthritis. Put everything into the bowl. Mix them together a little bit. Now add your water and stir until it all binds together to form a dough.
Now I'm going to get my hands dirty. When it looks like this, it's time to roll it out.
Flour your board and get rolling.
Oh, someone's interested already. Well, you can really see those lumps of tuna. Roll your dough out to between 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch thickness. Then pick up your fishy shaped cookie cutter and get cutting.
If you haven't got a cutter, we sell a selection in the Doghouse Deli Bar, as well as a complete range of recipe cards. Remember, chai seeds are a superfood, so make sure they stick. Now transfer them to the baking tray.
Now they're all on the baking sheet, we're going to cook them. Your oven should be at 180 for electric and or gas mark 5, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes. Ooh, golden fish.
Whilst these were cooking, we could smell the tuna, and the dog was very interested in it. There, not a bad haul for Polperro today.
As you know, it takes great patience to catch a fish. Done it.